Hey guys, PhoneArena here, and this is a 4K video sample taken with a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Video stabilization is enabled for this video. Something cool about the Galaxy S10 Plus is that it lets you shoot with any camera you want even after you've started the video. I'm gonna switch to the Telephoto camera, so now I'm getting 2x optical zoom in my video. And this is how far you can go if you apply digital zoom on top of that. Back to normal. And now I switch to the wide angle camera. Once again, this is a 4K video sample taken with a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Switching back to the normal camera. And thanks for watching.